Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a simple but powerful to-do list application using Django. Whether you are beginner or looking to brush up your Django skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. Um, for this you need Python, any version of Python. Currently I have 3.12, 3.12, and also you need Django. So for installing Django, you need pip install Django. Okay, now install Django. So this is the basic setup of Django. Next, let's create a new Django project. So creating a Django project, you need to run this command like Django admin start project and your project name. Let's say I give my project to do project 2. Let's create this. Okay. Now here you can see the to do project 2 is created. Now I open this project in VS Code. To do so, you have to type code to do project 2 and press enter. Now your Django project is open in VS Code. I hope you already installed VS Code. If not, then please go ahead. Or you can use any code editor for creating your projects. So so this is our basic project structure in Django, as you already know. Uh, so now let's create a Django app. So for creating Django app, you need or you must have inside your Django project the they should have the manage.py file. Now let's create the Django app. For creating Django app, you need to run Python manage.py start app and your app name. For example, I give my app name as a to do and press enter. So it will create a basic to do list. Now I just created this to do list. So Django, letting Django to know that we already created a Django to do list. This is the setting.py file, basic configuration of Django. Now we just created the to do list in our project as a like to do as a app. So I just have to add the to do and install that. And also we have to use template. So in just direct inside the template list, just add directories as templates and create this templates folder inside your main root Django project. Okay. And for that you need to create basic three. Let's for go step by step. So in this file, in the setting.py file, we already tried to do as an installed app, and second we add template directory there. Now if you go to the url.py, basic URL routing of the Django application, now you need to include the other app. So other app, it means the to app. So if somebody hits on the like root root directly redirect all your URLs to do those URLs, right? So I need to create the to do URL. So I just copy this url.py file to here, and we don't need this either. This we just need to import the all views from there. Okay. We don't need this one. So whenever somebody hits views or whenever somebody hits this empty URL, it should be redirect to views.index, which we will create soon. This index file. So currently you can see that inside the views there is no index function. So let's create the index function and return the render request and template name basically index.html. Okay. Now for running this like basic, we have to create index.html inside our template folder. Let's create that. right. For running the application, you must, if you are doing first time, then you have to run the make migration command and migrate command. Then you have to run, then you have to execute the command python main.py run server. Press enter. This basically started your server. If you hit this URL, then you will get hello world, which is our basic index page. Now we can run this, like we can keep this server running. Now for our to-do list, we need to create models. Model is basically a database schema. So let's create the model. Let's create the class we will call to do item. So the to do item is model. Then we have title, which the title name, description, and other fields. For example, we take the title as a character field. The maximum length would be the maximum length the maximum length would be 100 character. The description should be any kind of character there, like no limit there in the description, and we mark as like completed or not completed. And if you want to like print the str, then you can use this. You can directly use f string there. That's our self dot type basic. And we created here. You can also add this model to our admin panel. To list, no, admin dot site dot register. We add this list to there. Okay. Let's migrate this one. So I just stop using Control C. You can stop the server. I can python make migration. It will create the new migrations. New migration will create it, and you can also create the and also you can migrate the data. So now our data is migrated, and also we create the database. Now we need to have two rules. First, we can able to create the to-do list, basic to-do list. So for that we need to have a we need to have two URLs. First we need to have add for adding to do. So let's create the adding to do. So give the same name there, and we need to have two more loops. First is complete, which is basically check the complete list there, checking marking as completed or not. So basically we have three routes, add, complete, and delete. Basically this one will create a new to do, and we will display the all to dos in our index page. This page will create a new to do. This route will mark complete, and this route will delete a to. So we will create all the to dos in this file. So first we have to import our model. Just that import the model from models import to do item. So let's get all the items. We can need to do items, to do object all. You can read that to do item to the correct page. So basically for example, let's this. Okay, this is our to do list project. Let's say to do list. and you can also and let's have a for loop there to print all our to so basically we are sending to do to this page. For that we need to we have three fields. So basically we have three fields: title, the description. So get there and completed complete basically completed. And let's see, so run the server. Let's say published. Awesome. So let me comment this out first. Okay. Now you can easily create the to do from this in the admin. You can just create a super user. Now you can log in. Just create the login. You can see the to do model is showing there. You just need to add the to do, like first to do and the description of to do and save it. Now you just created one to do. You can able to see here. I think this spelling is taken. Now we can add two routes. First, we have to add for completing. You can add complete if the to do have, like for example, if the to do value is there, if the to do value is there, it means like it's completed. So the thing was my extension was giving me the issue. There is no issue. So it was working fine. So this is our basic title. This is the description. This is so on. Like you can use the multiple UIL for that display. Like for example, this UL there and this here. This one you have to use the title. Okay. And complete it. Now can also just bold there. Create the bold. Okay, so it's not completed yet. So if the value is not completed yet, then what you can do, like you will request the complete one. Complete this one with the ID, and this will make a complete, and this one will like create a new item. And we also need delete one. So for delete one, and again is the same. Is the delete there, and like this delete. It's very simple. Like this one. Okay, so let me create the another to say second to and we can use load and first. Not so much this side. This one. Okay, now you can see it's looking much better. Let's create the aid item first. So now we are creating the aid item. So you can see in the to do example the aid item we need to create this function aid to aid to do will take the request. It should have first if the data is a node there and the request is node there simply render the request with the item on it, like will directly go to do items to do in .html page. Let's create the to do index and same there but about 8 okay. Now inside this to do page you have to and click to the home page. Okay, so refresh this page now you can see everything is good. Now you can create a form. Let's create a form method post also form there. Yeah. Form there we need CSRF token. Okay, we don't have the form, so let's create label for title same as input and label for description the description input. Okay, we don't need this mark check because after you completing the to do it will we will click on the complete and it will be okay. I think we need this one we create title and the description there. For description we need text field, this one need area text area and name the id same date. Okay. So basically and also use tag to display one after another. This will be nice. Okay, so this will create the post method, so we are using the post here. Also, for example, if the is request method is equal to post, then what we'll gonna do, like we will get the data from the request. So for example, title, description and all. Then we will create first we will get the title, then description, then we'll create the title, description data, then we save the particular item, like for example, this is to do item, then we save the to do item, to do save. Okay, now we return to the index page, right? Redirect, not in the redirect to index page. We have to import the redirect there. Okay, okay, and also that we have the title and the description there. Label input also then okay, let's try to create food. Okay, so now you successfully created food. Okay, so to do description. Okay. I think I messed up something. Okay. So third to do and third to description. Okay. Now you can see we can create the to-dos there. Now we need to remove the to-dos. For that, you can see this value is have the ID on it, like 1, 2, 3, according to the X ID, according to the to-do list ID. So now basically we need to create another view. It's the similar view. So those both views are similar. So let's create one view. Okay. So from the complete to do we get the request data and the to do item. Then we'll get the to do complete is to do and redirect. Similar we can similar we will have the another like delete. Okay. We'll get the item, we get the data, then we directly delete the data. And this will be like okay. But we'll see. When I click it, it's called completed. Okay. When I click it, it will complete it. Okay. So for example, like I completed this task, then I want to delete it. Okay. So it says there is no attribute delete. Okay. It says there is no attribute delete. Basically, so I did some spelling mistake. Okay. I think it will delete. Okay. Now you can see mark is completed. Now can delete it. Okay. So mark is completed. Then I can delete this one as well. This one as well. Okay. Let's create to do list. You can copy from lower end. Mark is complete. Also. So this was our basic to-do list. We successfully completed the basic to-do list. So these were based on our Django. You can see like very small function do many things using our Django framework. Basically, this framework are more robust and so efficient. So this was my video with to-do list. If you want any doubt, any question, any related projects to do, or any kind of suggestion, like suggest me on the comment box below. Thank you for watching.